when you're in a campaign, you get halfway and see where you are. Are you fighting at the wrong end, or are you fighting at the right end? So all this pressure on us is what we've always wanted. What have I wished for it, dreamt about it. Being halfway in the campaign and still having a say in who finishes top, who comes second. You know, we're right in that. There's a long way to go in this group. Republic of Ireland know that also. Don't worry about that. This is the 5th game in 10. So yeah, let's see where we come out. We've been without Aaron obviously for 3 of the 4 games. We missed Joe Allen for the Georgia game in the second half in Austria. You know, there's no getting away from it. They're key players for us. They are, simple as that. So it's nice to have them back. Nice to have those type of players at your disposal that we haven't really had for not enough anyway.
Just need to play our game. We'll be focusing on the performance more than the result, and we stick to the plan. Stick together, do what we've done all week, what we've worked on, and normally when we do that, the result's the right one. Ireland are top of the group. They've had a better campaign than us so far, but we feel that if we play our best game, like we have done on many occasions, we'll get the result. So we've worked hard all week, been very focused, everyone. We were looking for a good game, as I said before. Stick to what we want to do. Stick together for the whole 90 minutes. Perform consistently through that, and we'll be all right.
It's different for us this time round than it was last time. We can hardly go under the radar anymore. We're deemed now as a scalp. People look at us, getting something against Wales now. It's a huge result where maybe in the past it wasn't. I've got a huge amount of trust in the players. I have, and why wouldn't I? People will look at us now in these first 4 games. We've won 1, drawn 3. We've lost 1 campaign game in 16. That's the truth of the matter. And whatever happens tomorrow, whatever happens in this campaign, these players, they're at a great age. Their attitude is the best I've ever seen, and their application. They'll go on, and they'll achieve, as long after I may. Because I've got full belief in them to perform, because I trust them. Why do I trust them? Just look what they've done in the last, not the tournament, way before the tournament. 9 times out of 10, they've been performing. And I don't worry. I'm not worried about tomorrow night. I'm respectful of who we're up against. We're up against a good team, and it'll be tough. So I'm not worried if we don't get the 3 points. It's all over. Far from it. Far from it. A lot of points, a lot of games. These boys have got a lot of good games in them. A lot of good performances. And tomorrow, we've got to put another one in. We know that.